What has happened last night in Arpora is not an isolated tragedy. It is a stark reminder of an administration in complete collapse. Good governance does not mean turning a blind eye when tourist hubs are operating without basic safety norms. Yesterday, a truckload of liquor was intercepted. Excise department was sleeping. A shack has caught fire, allegedly because it did not have proper fire safety measures. What was the fire department doing? Sleeping. Robberies, dacoities, murders, kidnappings, these have become very common. So public safety public security is eroding. Police machinery appears overwhelmed and is unresponsive. So this is a very disturbing layer. The local Sarpanch has said that a demolition order was passed for this club. The club owner went to the Directorate of Panchayat, got it stayed, and dates were given which were very, very long dates. Many a times people have had to go to the High Court to see that Directorate of Panchayat starts implementing orders. So this pattern raises a serious concern about systemic dysfunction, not isolated mistakes. So given the scale of the regulatory failure and the tragic loss of 23 lives yesterday, I think so a judicial probe by a retired judge is necessary to restore trust and to ensure accountability. The Arpora inferno did not just happen, it was allowed to happen. 23 lives have been lost amid allegations of administrative apathy and regulatory lapses. Goa deserves better than this circus of incompetence. The government has lost every shred of a moral mandate. So I guess the government has to resign or has to be dismissed.